Hi everyone, my name is Robert Phillips and I'll be talking to you today about embracing leadership growth and transformation. When healthcare organizations contribute to a community partnership, this helps build a culture of health. Building a culture of health means creating a society that gives all individuals an equal opportunity to live the healthiest life they can, whatever their ethnic, geographic, racial, socioeconomic, or physical circumstances may be. Healthcare organizations, sponsorships, and partnerships are viewed as investments that increase public understanding for the healthcare organization's mission and brand, while also bringing communities together. There are several benefits that go with making these contributions, which include opportunity to create long-term value, create positive exposure, and enhance business growth and internal strategies as well. Through partnerships, healthcare organizations can address a wide range of community needs, which will bring a positive impact on the sustainability and effectiveness of the overall organization itself. Healthcare organizations need to increase their focus on broader determinants of health, which means to act and think more creatively and expansively about how to support healthcare throughout the community. The goal is to have healthy people, therefore, healthcare organizations need to ensure fundamental community elements, such as public recreation opportunities. I believe it is very beneficial to make these contributions because these investments are impacting health equity. Promoting healthier communities is the hospital's responsibility to address the drivers of health, which include the physical environment, health behaviors, and socioeconomic factors. This contribution will help the healthcare organization establish a presence in their local community. Hospitals need to engage with the community, which involves more than just offering blood pressure screenings in parking lots at shopping centers. Leaders need to promote the healthcare organization's mission by taking initiatives in conducting advocacy and public education. Leaders need to improve public planning and host community health events as well. Leaders need to take action and gather volunteers to address physical health and socioeconomic barriers. Leaders should support community capacity building and begin investing into their low-income and minority communities. Leaders can promote the organization's mission through these partnerships due to the fact it increases business opportunities and their reputation. Leaders can further promote their mission by identifying health needs through a community assessment. A community assessment will help leaders understand how community trends and needs affect the overall healthcare organization services. A partnership is strategic when it provides your networks with which helps leaders plan and launch community-wide initiatives on a variety of health issues. So real change takes place over time, and being able to understand the real issues that are underlying the community needs can be achieved through these partnerships. Thank you.